plasterboard, high-performance plastics, automotive glass, pipes, adhesive, and sealant. While most people may not know all these professional terms from the industrial world, they will be very familiar with the products they help manufacture: building decorations, auto parts, and medical equipment. But crucial as these components are, they require a wide range of raw materials, including cement, sand, and gypsum. But headwinds from rising prices of commodities like these have given industrial materials manufacturer Zhang an average 10% increase in their raw materials prices during 2021.
With very sharp increase, for instance, cement increased by around 20%. Also energy in the year end, in the Q4, increased a lot, 20, 30, sometimes 40% in some cities.
China's thermal coal futures prices skyrocketed to a historic high of almost 2,000 yuan per ton in October, from a low point of 750 in August. But those prices have gradually declined since October, when the National Development and Reform Commission began repeatedly asking investors to avoid speculation and hoarding of energy resource used in heating. The most active thermal coal futures contract dropped to lower than 700 yuan per ton on December 7th, more than 65% lower than its historic high. Prices of other commodity futures, including those of steel, aluminum, glass, paper pulp, and PVC, have also fallen sharply.
Actually, we saw a surge in the inflation around September, October, when there were those electricity shortage problems. This caused some raw material to double suddenly the price. And actually, things went much smoother when the central government of China said that continuity of supply of electricity was very important and that we should not stop electricity supply. And then also we see now the demand with winter is a bit slowing down. So as the demand decreases, things are getting more stable now.
Led by the falling production costs, China's producer price inflation started to ease in November 2021, retreating to a growth rate of 12.9% year-on-year. That was down from October's 26-year high of 13.5%, reflecting the government's efforts to control surging commodity prices and stabilizing energy supply. Some experts predict that commodity prices may continue to decline in the future.
At the end of last year, China's economy gradually recovered, with domestic supplies gradually returning to normal. That helped bring prices back. And also due to the global pandemic situation, the demand worldwide has not recovered significantly, whereas global commodity supplies have gradually recovered. Since last September, global commodity prices started to drop. The influence of the pandemic will gradually be alleviated, so that demand will gradually recover. It's hard to see big fluctuations in the future.
And that Paris-headquartered industrial materials manufacturing giant is now continuing with its big business plans here. Last November, the company completed purchase of a factory in Anhui to expand its production, and is actively working on new solutions to manage fluctuating prices.
We have also a lot of research, innovation, to see how to replace cement by more sustainable materials like slag, waste coming from deconstruction of buildings. And systematically now, when we build a new plant, we make the roof compatible with solar panels so that we can be more autonomous by using renewable energy, which is cheaper than the normal, more traditional source of electricity.
China's PPI for the full year of 2021 grew by 8.1%, indicating that policies to secure supplies and stabilize prices continue to have their effect through December. Zhang Shixuan, ICS for CGTN, Shanghai.